Hey guys, I bet you didn't know you can remove those pesky car scratches with items you already have at home. Noticing scratches on your car's paint can be frustrating, but you don't need to spend a fortune to fix them. We're not talking about major body damage here, but those light scratches, swirl marks, and blemishes that can really dull your car's shine. With a few common household items, you can restore your car's appearance and make those scratches almost invisible. In this video, I'll show you simple DIY methods to remove scratches using stuff you probably already have at home. So grab your cleaning supplies, and let's get started. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences and ideas. Before we start with scratch removal, we need to ensure the surface is clean and free of dirt or grime. This is a crucial first step because any debris left on the surface can interfere with the scratch removal process and potentially cause more damage. Grab a bucket of clean water, some car wash soap, or even mild dish soap. Both options are effective, but make sure to use a soap that is gentle on your car's paint. Mix it up with the water to get a soapy solution. The soap will help to lift and remove any dirt or grime that is stuck to the surface. Take a clean microfiber wash mitt or a soft sponge and thoroughly wash the area around the scratch. Make sure to cover a wide area around the scratch to ensure that no dirt is left behind. Use a bit of elbow grease to loosen any dirt or contaminants. This might take a bit of effort, but it's important to ensure the surface is as clean as possible. Rinse the area thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap residue. Any soap left on the surface can interfere with the scratch removal process. Now grab a clean dry microfiber towel and dry the area completely. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies to ensure no water is left behind. This step is crucial because any remaining water droplets can cause more damage to your paint. Water can seep into the scratch and cause rust or other damage over time. Take a close look at the scratch now. Inspect it from different angles and in different lighting to get a good idea of the severity of the scratch. Is it a light scratch or a deeper one? Light scratches are usually just on the surface and can be easily fixed, while deeper scratches might require more effort and different tools. Depending on the severity, you might need different methods, which we'll cover next. It's important to choose the right method to ensure the best results. A clean surface is crucial for any scratch removal method to work effectively. Without a clean surface, the scratch removal products won't be able to adhere properly and do their job. There are many different products available for cleaning your car, so make sure to choose one that is suitable for your car's paint. Some products are designed specifically for certain types of paint, so it's important to read the labels and choose the right one. When cleaning your car, it's important to use the right technique. Use gentle, circular motions to avoid causing any additional scratches or damage to the paint. Once the surface is clean, you'll be able to see the scratch more clearly and determine the best course of action for removing it. A clean surface will also make it easier to apply any scratch removal products and ensure they work effectively. There are many different scratch removal products available, so make sure to choose one that is suitable for the type of scratch you have. Some products are designed for light scratches, while others are more effective on deeper scratches. When applying a scratch removal product, make sure to follow the instructions carefully. Use gentle, circular motions to apply the product and ensure it is evenly distributed over the scratch. With the right technique and products, you can effectively remove scratches from your car and restore its appearance. A clean, scratch-free surface will not only look better, but also help to protect your car's paint and prevent further damage. Remember, taking the time to properly clean and prepare the surface before attempting to remove a scratch is crucial for achieving the best results. A little extra effort in the beginning can save you time and frustration in the long run. So take your time, follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to a clean, scratch-free car surface. Happy cleaning! Now that our scratched area is clean and dry, let's use something from your bathroom toothpaste. Yes, you heard that right. Toothpaste isn't just for keeping your teeth clean and white. It can also be a handy tool in your car maintenance kit. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives that can help buff out light scratches and swirl marks. These abrasives are gentle enough not to damage your car's paint, but effective enough to smooth out those pesky imperfections. Use a basic white toothpaste, preferably with baking soda. Baking soda enhances the abrasive action, making it even more effective at removing scratches. Avoid gel toothpastes or those with whitening agents. These types of toothpaste contain different ingredients that might not be as effective and could potentially harm your car's paint. Apply a small amount of toothpaste onto a clean microfiber cloth. You don't need a lot. A pea-sized amount should be sufficient for a small scratch. Apply gentle pressure and rub the toothpaste onto the scratch in a circular motion. The circular motion helps to evenly distribute the toothpaste and ensures that the abrasives work on the entire scratch. Keep rubbing for about a minute or two, focusing on the scratch and the area around it. This process helps to gradually wear down the edges of the scratch, making it less noticeable. The toothpaste acts like fine sandpaper, polishing away imperfections. It's a gentle yet effective way to improve the appearance of your car's paint. After a couple of minutes, check the scratch. If it's less noticeable, great. If not, repeat the process. Sometimes deeper scratches may require a few applications to see significant improvement. Once satisfied, wipe away excess toothpaste with a damp microfiber cloth. This step ensures that no residue is left behind, which could attract dirt or dust. Buff the area to a shine with a dry microfiber cloth. This final step brings out the shine in your car's paint, making it look as good as new. You'll be amazed at how much better your car's paint looks with this simple trick. It's a cost-effective and easy solution that you can do at home without any special tools or products. Let's move on to the next method if needed. If the toothpaste trick doesn't completely remove the scratch, don't worry. There are other methods and products available that can help you achieve a flawless finish. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on car maintenance and scratch removal. If the toothpaste method didn't work, try baking soda. Baking soda is a mild abrasive perfect for slightly deeper scratches. Mix equal parts baking soda and water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the scratch using a clean microfiber cloth. Use gentle circular motions to polish the scratch. Continue rubbing for a few minutes, checking progress periodically. The baking soda paste gently removes oxidized paint and smooths the surface. Once satisfied, clean up with a damp microfiber cloth. Remove all baking soda residue to avoid white marks. Dry the area thoroughly with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. The baking soda paste should significantly reduce the appearance of the scratch. Your car's paint will look smoother and shinier. If needed, repeat the process for better results. Let's move on to the next method for even finer scratches. Your car will thank you for the gentle touch. For fine scratches and swirl marks, use furniture polish. Furniture polish contains oils and polishing agents that fill in tiny imperfections. Choose a high-quality polish without silicone or wax. Spray a small amount onto a clean microfiber cloth. Apply the polish to the scratched area using gentle circular motions. The polish will fill in scratches, making them less noticeable. Continue applying the polish to the entire area for even coverage. Let the polish sit for a minute or two. Buff the area to a brilliant shine with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Use back and forth motions following the car's body lines. The polish will leave a smooth, reflective surface. Your car's paint will look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. This method is perfect for restoring that deep, glossy shine. If needed, repeat the process for better results. Let's move on to the final step to seal the deal. Now, let's protect our hard work with a fresh coat of car wax. Applying car wax is a crucial step in maintaining the longevity and appearance of your vehicle. It not only enhances the shine, but also provides a protective layer that shields the paint from various environmental elements. Car wax creates a barrier against UV rays, dirt, and grime. This barrier is essential because it prevents the paint from fading and oxidizing over time. The sun's ultraviolet rays can be particularly harsh, causing the paint to lose its luster and vibrancy. By applying wax, you ensure that your car's paint remains as fresh and vibrant as the day it was applied. Choose a wax that suits your preference, like spray-on wax for ease. There are various types of car wax available in the market, including paste wax, liquid wax, and spray wax. Each type has its own set of advantages. For instance, spray wax is quick and easy to apply, making it ideal for those who are short on time. On the other hand, paste wax might take a bit longer to apply, but often provides a more durable finish. Ensure the surface is clean and dry before applying wax. This step is crucial because any dirt or moisture left on the surface can interfere with the wax's ability to bond with the paint. Use a high-quality car wash soap to clean the surface thoroughly, and then dry it with a clean microfiber towel. This ensures that the wax adheres properly and provides maximum protection. Shake the bottle well and spray a light, even coat onto the surface. It's important to shake the bottle to ensure that the wax is well mixed. When spraying, hold the bottle about 6-8 inches away from the surface to get an even coat. Avoid overspraying, as too much wax can be difficult to buff out later. Spread the wax evenly with a clean microfiber cloth using circular motions. Circular motions help to evenly distribute the wax and ensure that every part of the surface is covered. Make sure to use a clean microfiber cloth, as any dirt or debris on the cloth can scratch the paint. The wax will start to haze over as it dries. This hazing indicates that the wax is bonding with the paint and is ready to be buffed out. The drying time can vary depending on the type of wax and the ambient temperature, but it usually takes about 5-10 minutes. Once hazed, buff the area to a brilliant shine with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Buffing removes the excess wax and brings out the shine. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth and apply light pressure in circular motions. This will help to achieve a deep, glossy finish. Use back and forth motions, following the car's body lines. This technique helps to enhance the shine and ensures that the wax is evenly distributed. Following the car's body lines also helps to avoid any streaks or uneven spots. The buffing process removes excess wax and leaves a protective layer. This protective layer acts as a shield against environmental contaminants, making it easier to clean your car in the future. It also helps to maintain the shine for a longer period. Continue applying and buffing wax in small sections until the entire car is covered. Working in small sections ensures that the wax doesn't dry out before you have a chance to buff it. It also makes the process more manageable and ensures that you don't miss any spots. Your car will have a deep, glossy shine that lasts. This shine not only makes your car look great but also adds to its resale value. A well-maintained car with a glossy finish is always more appealing to potential buyers. This final step ensures your car's paint stays protected and looks its best. Regular waxing is an investment in your car's future, helping to maintain its appearance and protect its value. Waxing is essential for maintaining your car's appearance. It not only enhances the look of your car, but also provides a layer of protection against the elements. Regular waxing can help to prevent minor scratches and swirl marks, keeping your car looking new for longer. Enjoy the results of your hard work. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of seeing your car gleaming in the sunlight after a thorough waxing. It's a testament to the care and effort you've put into maintaining your vehicle. Your car will be the envy of the neighborhood. A well-waxed car stands out and catches the eye, making it a point of pride for any car owner. Your neighbors will surely notice the extra effort you've put into keeping your car in top condition. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts. Regular waxing is a simple yet effective way to maintain your car's appearance and protect its paint. By following these steps, you can ensure that your car remains in excellent condition for years to come. So, take the time to wax your car regularly and enjoy the benefits of a well-maintained vehicle. So, there you have it. With a few household items and some elbow grease, you can remove those annoying scratches and have your car looking as good as new. These methods work best on light scratches and swirl marks. For deeper scratches or paint chips, consider professional help. These DIY methods are easy, effective, and budget-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences and ideas. Happy driving!